Hi, today we are going to discuss about how to convert a Notion form into PDF files completely in automation. For this demonstration, we are going to talk about painting contract form. As you can see, I have created a simple form over here, and once the user fills in all the details and clicks on submit, the responses will come under the responses view in the database. I've already added two entries out of the particular form, and now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF files completely in automation. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDFOutput. This will help me create PDFs on automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So, a Notion database will contain all the information that I want to convert to PDF, and a Google document is what I will be editing to convert to PDF files. We can create any reports, invoices, contracts, certificates, or even quotations that we're looking to generate on everyday basis through this automation system. Click on create PDF and simply sign in, and then we will see how the rest of the automation will work once we are logged in inside the dashboard. So as you can see, I have already signed in, and the very first thing which I will doing is I will be adding the Notion database which I need to use for the automation system. So I will be adding the Notion database over here. Once the database is added, I need to connect a document to the database where I'll be editing the template to convert to PDF. And finally, I will be mapping all the properties of the database one by one onto the document to be converted to PDF file. So let's click on add Notion database, and I will be adding the database right now. So for this, I will just copy the title of the database which I already have on my workspace. I will just copy this title. I will head over to the selection screen which will show up over here. I will click on select pages, and I will put it inside the search pages field over here. As I do that, it will automatically show me the particular form. Click on this and the form is now added up. So whenever you're looking to add any form or a database, simply put it inside the search pages field. It will automatically add it. Do not select the form or the database by selecting from the top level pages that you see over here, because if you do that, the experience will not be smooth and the database will not be added up correctly. Also, if your database connects with other databases through relation properties, so let's say my painting contract form is connected with database A and database B through relation properties, I also need to add database A and database B inside the search pages so that the PDF file which will be created will have all the relation and roller values appear correctly on the document. Otherwise, the relation and roller values will not be visible on the document created. Click on allow access, and now you should get access to the particular painting contract form which we can use for the remaining steps of the automation to generate the PDFs. It will take a while to load the database, but please be patient. It should definitely appear in the dropdown over here. If it is not showing in the dropdown, simply click on reload database and it should definitely appear. Sometimes it takes a while to load the database, so please have some patience and try reloading the database once or twice. It should definitely be visible in the dropdown over here. So I will try to reload the database once again, and I should be able to see the particular form appear over here. So you can see the painting contract form is visible. Click on this, and now you should be able to see all the properties of the painting contract form visible over here, one below the other. So let us wait as it is going to load all the properties which is now visible to me. Let me add a document to this. So I will just click on add Google document. If you already have a painting contract template file available on your drive, click on existing document and choose the contract that is already available on your drive. So you can go to the documents view and select the document that would already be available for this. I don't have any document available, so I will instead choose a demo document where it will create me a new document with all the placeholders automatically added beforehand. So you should be able to see all the properties of the database automatically created right inside the document. So if you closely observe, it has created me all the placeholders of the database beforehand. We have the client name, contractor name, primary term, project address. All these fields are coming from the database that you already have over here. So when the PDF will be created, all these placeholders inside double curly brackets will be replaced with the values that we have on the database, and they will be generated with the output. So the client name will be fetched from the client name column that you have over here. Similarly, the contractor name will be fetched from the contractor name that you have over here, and so on for all the other fields. It will be fetched and the PDF file will be generated. If you want to add any property inside the document, you can simply copy paste any property that you want. So let's say I want to add the client name. I will simply click on copy. I will go to the document wherever I want to add it. I can simply use Ctrl V or Command V on my keyboard. It will automatically paste the property right inside the document. So you can go ahead and copy paste any property right inside the document wherever you need it. It will automatically add the same. So after this, we need to define how the PDF file will be named. So currently all my PDF file needs to be generated in the client name that we see over here. So I need to select client name from the drop down, which is already selected. And now let me click on download PDF. It will generate the PDF right inside the downloads folder, as well as it will save the PDF right inside this PDF file column. So if any record is marked as ready to generate, as you see over here, it will be converted to PDF file and it will be stored in the PDF file column over here. Okay. So make sure you are setting your records as ready to generate, whichever you are looking to convert to PDF file, and it will be generated as a PDF right inside this PDF file column. Let me click on this and it will automatically showcase the document with all the placeholders automatically created. So you can see every placeholder of this document is already mapped to the database that we have, and everything has been properly replaced. Let me click open the second document. You should be able to see the same pattern over here as well. So here also all the placeholders have been mapped with the database and everything has been replaced onto the document. So we just created two documents side by side where all the fields were automatically mapped as per the requirement. Now if you want to automate this process completely, click on setup Notion automation. This will run the automation to generate a PDF forever, which means now you do not need to set up anything from scratch to create the PDFs out of that, as the automation is already set. So whenever a user will click on submit, a new entry appears in this database. Simply mark it as ready to generate and the PDF will automatically be created inside the database. This makes the process really easy and convenient and super simple to use, as all the PDFs get generated right inside the Notion database for a use case. This removes the complexity to use PDF output dashboard to set up everything from scratch to create the PDF, as all the automations happen directly inside the database to create the PDF. So I hope this explanation was useful to you. If you still have any questions on this, use this chat bubble and send me a message with your queries. I'll be able to address the same. Or else you can go to the home page and scroll down at the bottom to find the contact window where you will be able to send me a message right away with all your queries, and I'll be able to address the same as well. You can even book a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool from start till the end to create the PDFs and automation. So I hope you like this demonstration, and I'll be waiting of